from our heart, like what we have done now. When you decide to come to Indonesia, join with the youth in Indonesia, maybe Father Bert push you to come here in Sumba? No? How about you, Father?
No.
No one?
Invited us.
Yeah.
He said yes.
It's really a free choice. Ikaw, it's really a free choice to come here. It's like when we answer the calling of God. No? It's really from our heart with the free and nothing else behind us. So, following Jesus, it means that should be a free and firm decision. It should come from the heart, no obsession, nothing that pushes us, but it's really free. One should be free from excuse or I have problem with my I have writing. Okay. One should be free from excuse or liberated from family duties. When God calls us, we don't tell Him to wait for us. We don't set standards, limits, or conditions. Being disciples of Jesus means permanent, constant, and lasting commitment. There is no giving up or running away from responsibilities. So, the point is, first, to follow Jesus is we be ready to sacrifice and have the spirit of self-giving to follow Jesus. And then we have to believe in Him that God will take good for our life. Maybe you can read the Gospel from Matthew about there are two men calling to follow Jesus, and then they said, wait, I have to tell my family, wait, I have to go back to my house and bury my family, something like that. So, from this gospel, tell us that we just believe in God, that God will do the good things in our life. That is what I want to say to you about the readings today and the Spirit. So maybe my dear brothers and sisters from Thailand, Philippines, Vietnam, Singapore, from Malaysia, India, and Malaysia. So now you are really fulfilled the calling of God to come here in Sumba. So with the Spirit, like what we have done, one encountering, one family, and one decision, we answer the calling of God and we bring it to God and believe in Him that everything will be safe and everything will be good in the name of God. Amen.